So really quick, y'all, I wanted to show you guys this trade idea that I have right now. Okay, if you're not using this strategy, I really want to encourage you guys to just start doing this on your charts at all times. Okay, so this red line right here that's at the top of my chart, that is the 4 a.m. opening candle. Opening candle. Sorry about that. It's the 4 a.m. opening candle. Okay, so what I've learned from ICT, and some of you may do this as well. Correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm using it wrong. I don't think I am though. So this one right here that's in the middle, I'll point I'll use the arrow to point to it. This one is my midnight opening candle. Okay. And then this one is my 4 a.m. opening candle right there, you guys. So I promise you guys, if you guys do this on your charts every day, you will learn so much about price action. So how I use these lines is if I'm bullish or if I'm bearish, what I'm looking for is price to go above these lines if I'm bearish, and I'm looking to take it for a sell. So that's what I have done so far. I'm currently in the trade. I'm looking to average into it. But if you guys notice, like, look at these wicks right here. Now today, yesterday had a really big move yesterday, so I'm not really expecting the market to do too much today. But I do want to see if I can take this market back down for maybe 100 points. It may be a slow, cringy grind, but I think maybe it can happen. But look at this yellow box. Look at how each time the market comes over this 4 a.m. candle, it sells off, right? It's barely staying above this 4 a.m. opening candle. Okay, so let me show you how it looks on the hourly chart. So let me see. Right there where my vertical line is at, where my vertical dotted line is at, that's the 4 a.m. candle. So you guys can see I put a line right at the opening of that candle. It's not perfect. If you zoom in, you realize it's actually kind of off, actually, now that I look at it. Okay, and that's the downside of using TradingView on your phone, right? Things aren't always perfect. Then I have one on my midnight candle down here, down below. I'll remove this green fair value gap off of my chart. Okay, and then I want you guys to notice that yesterday I used the exact same strategy. When you guys see me trading news, I did the same thing. So this right here, yesterday I used this candle. All right, that was my midnight candle. Notice how I put the line right at the opening. It's probably not perfect again. Maybe it's a little bit better this time. But I put that line right. I put that horizontal red line right through the opening of that 1 hour candle. And notice, right? We're in a I was looking for the market to go down. So I'm looking for the market to go down. So each time price came above this candle, notice how it sold off. Each time, right? Okay. For those of you who don't see what I'm talking about, price came above right here. Price came above right here. And then the one that I took after the news came out was this one. Okay. And even right now, you guys can see live. This is a live market. I'm showing you guys that this strategy works, right? Price came above right here. I only took one entry. I wasn't able to average in the way I wanted to. Price came above right here, and now we're selling off again. Now it's not a fast move or anything like that because we had a really big move the last 2 days. So I'm expecting the market to pretty much consolidate. So I'm not really expecting it to move like really fast or anything like that. But just look at the trade, you guys. I'm up, 200 plus on a slow day. And the reality is, I don't care about holding this trade for too long. I can just close it right now and I'll be happy. You know, so look, I could close this trade right now, and on the day, you know, if you can make 30 points on a day, why wouldn't you make that and be happy? Like, come on. I mean, just be honest. Just be honest with me. If you can make 30 points. Now, even though I was swinging to get out all the way down here, if you can make, I was looking to get out down here. Okay, fine. I didn't get my exit. Oh, he's not a great trader. Boo-hoo. Dude, it doesn't matter. If you can make 30 points in a day, why wouldn't you make that 30 points and leave? Now, this is my 100K prop firm challenge. Notice, I'm slowly building it. I had one lot on there, which meant, okay, my stop loss was 17,305. So even if I would have lost that trade, I was only losing $500. My take profit was 152. I had a 2-to-1 risk reward. Now, does that mean you have to hold? No. Me, I don't have the best patience. The best thing you can do as a trader is to know yourself. If I'm up 30 points and then that market starts to come back, it's going to annoy me and I'm going to close the trade for break even. I'd rather just take my 30 points right then and there. So if you get a scenario like this, where your 12 a.m. candle, right? I can't remember which one was my 12 a.m. Was it this? It was this one. This was my 12 a.m. candle. If you get a scenario where the market goes high, like way higher, then don't use this 12 a.m. candle. Notice how the market went way above it, so I used the 4 a.m. candle. Now, if you can't use the 4 a.m., use the 6 a.m. But notice how my 4 a.m. candle right here and my 6 a.m. candle was the same. They were just about the same, so I just used the 4 a.m. Okay? And we also have a 15-minute fair value gap coupled with this strategy. Now, when you have a 15-minute fair value gap or some type of PD array, whether it's an order block, a mitigation block, or something like that, when you have it coupled with this strategy, you guys, you're going to know that you're going to see how good this strategy really is. It's super good. That's all I use today. I mean, think about it. The market isn't even doing anything. From market open, okay? From market open, I think the market open pretty much, we'll just use this. From market open to now, this is all the market have done. Everything that's inside of this gold box, this is all market have done. That's it. The market isn't ranging. But we were still able to make 30 points in a slow market. You guys, don't listen to the people that say you can't trade in consolidation. You could trade any market when you learn how to tape read. You could trade a trending market. You could trade after the news. You could trade consolidation, but you have to be able to adapt. I knew that the market wasn't trending and wasn't moving really fast, so I took my profits really fast because now look, the market is coming back. You have to be able to adapt. And the only way you're going to build those skills up is if you practice. Every day you have to tape read. Every day you have to study. I've been almost studying ICT concepts for, almost a year now, and I'm still studying them every day. So, that's my message to you guys. If you're a beginner trader, even if you're a intermediate trader and you're not using this strategy, my challenge to you, put that horizontal line on your 12 a.m. opening candle. If not that, 12 a.m., put it on your 4 a.m. or your 6 a.m. opening candle. And if you're bullish, look at how price goes under that and comes back. If you're not ready to trade it, don't trade it. But just notice how this will help you read price action. And if you're bearish, notice how price goes over the line and comes back down. It does this almost every single day. I mean, just look at it. It haven't went too far over this line yet. So that's my message to you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below if you're going to try this out. And if you do try it out, also come back and leave a comment down below and tell me how's it working for you. All right. Until the next time, I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure y'all drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel,